Hi, my name is Silas, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Magnesium by Ian Clark before actually you order the product. Remembering that all the information given here was taken from the Activation Products website. Any questions you have, leave a comment or learn more about each detail on the product's official website. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Magnesium is that you be careful with the website you're going to order from, because Magnesium is only sold on the Activation Products website. And to help you, I left the link to the Activation Products website down below in the description of this video. In addition, on the website you will find several real testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles, and sources on which the production of Magnesium was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, Magnesium is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is Magnesium? And does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Magnesium works, and after many laboratory tests, Ian Clark, CEO and founder of Activation Products, identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will help you, as it is a new performance formula designed to maximize your body relax as nature intended. That's because the Magnesium is all natural and scientifically proven ingredients in this formula promote healthy by providing special super compounds you're not getting through regular food. Magnesium is a natural solution that enters your bloodstream through your skin. Each spray delivers approximately 22 milligrams of magnesium chloride hexahydrate, encouraging a sense of relaxation and calm. Regular use restores healthy magnesium levels and promotes calcium absorption. Each bottle of is filled to the top with nothing but 100% pure iMCH, our all-natural, bioavailable magnesium. Unlike other transdermal magnesium products, does not cause stinging, burning, or itching and will not leave a residue on the skin. So, restores healthy magnesium levels and promotes calcium absorption. 100% pure bioavailable magnesium. Magnesium focuses on tackling problems with poor nutrient metabolism. With Magnesium you will get the following benefits. Fast absorption of nutrients, supports your sleep, strengthens joints, soothes muscles, and calming and relaxing. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also, for Magnesium to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Magnesium has no side effects since it is natural. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural. The formula contains natural ingredients such as pure magnesium and many others natural elements rich in great properties 100% of natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the Activation Products website. Remembering that all these elements effectively contribute to the natural production of life quality and health benefits. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Magnesium, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee, there's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. Visit the full page and click on the link to know more about the return policy. You can actually test Magnesium for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the Activation Products platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email and cell phone. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Magnesium from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Magnesium actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video and see you at the Activation Products website for more information and details. Big hug and until next time.